Alright, what's going on, guys? Rice Life Garage, and we got something today other than the Miata here. We got something other that's gonna add to our thing. We're gonna go ahead and put a coconut air freshener in it. Yep, right here. This man bought a 240 today. Sold the Honda a couple weeks ago. So yeah, it's gonna need some work, you know. Clear coat's peeling, but it's nice. Cherry red. Need some wheels ASAP and some coilovers. Anyways, we're gonna put this. Door shutting.
Hey, give me another paper towel.
They're right here. Alright, we're gonna shut the door real quick.
That one shut too, I guess.
Yeah. Oh,
It's shut all the way now.
oh, that initial D sound, man. Alright, hold on. You wanna hold the camera real quick? I got the bubble shift knob in here because I took it out of the Civic, and the one in here is like all messed up, so you know, we just put that one in there for now.
Flag knock.
Flag nog. Alright, now we're smelling coconutty. It's my favorite one right there, man. Coconut orange. I got like 2 of them in the Miata right now.
Everybody look. Oh. 90s.
I paused the video, but we got the nice 80s seat belts that go up in right there. This is an 89 too, by the way. So it has the single cam and the pig nose. So we're just cleaning it up right now, and I gotta show you guys the best part. Yes. Fart can on the back, because we're really living the Rice Life Garage right now. Really. You want to start it real quick? Alright, he's going to start it right now so you guys can hear this. If it starts, the battery's dead, and we thought we charged it on the way home, but you know, we're going to hear this idle real quick.
Clutch is on the ground.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it's got some issues.
Yeah, I think the master cylinder is something wrong with it because the clutch gets stuck to the ground. But then it fixes. Yeah, nice smart cam. What do you think about that?
Oh, I think it's real rice, and I think it's real nice.
Rice and nice at the same time. Alright guys, so parked the 240 right here after washing it. We're about to head over to O'Reilly right now. What are we getting?
Air freshener.
We're getting air fresheners, and I'm gonna see if there's enough. We don't have enough. And then I'm gonna see if there's like anything like a shift knob maybe, other than this dildo one that I could get, because I'm kinda over the dildo life already, and I had it in there for like 10 minutes. But yeah, we'll hit you guys up when we get back from O'Reilly. Look at this E36. E36 M3, it's clean. It's clean. Slow ass Miata. That's how it is. We're just, you know, driving to O'Reilly's right now.
Two hours later.
Getting ready for the meet, man. Okay, I'm not standing in the rain right now.
From top to bottom.
It's a time race.
Top to bottom.
a style.